Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a web accessibility audit workflow with Lighthouse, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of web accessibility for all users. Ensure you have Google Chrome installed on your device. Open Google Chrome and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Search for the Lighthouse extension. Install the Lighthouse extension to your browser. Once installed, locate the Lighthouse icon in the Chrome toolbar. Open the website you want to audit in a new tab. Click on the Lighthouse icon in the toolbar. Choose the type of audit you wish to run. Select the accessibility option from the drop-down menu. You may opt to run a performance or best practices audit as well, but for this guide, focus on accessibility. Define whether to run the audit in mobile or desktop view. Click the Generate Report button to start the audit. Wait for Lighthouse to analyze the page. Once the audit is complete, review the generated report. Identify key areas of accessibility issues highlighted in the summary. Take note of the scores presented by Lighthouse. Scroll down to examine detailed suggestions on how to address each issue. Prioritize the issues based on their impact on user experience. Implement changes in your code as suggested by Lighthouse. Once changes are made, it's advisable to run the audit again. Continue this process until you achieve a satisfactory accessibility score. Document your findings and the steps taken to resolve the issues. Consider setting a regular schedule for conducting accessibility audits. Integrate feedback from users with disabilities into your workflow. Keep abreast of updates to both Lighthouse and accessibility standards. This will help ensure ongoing compliance and improved user experience. Share your results with your team to foster a culture of accessibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.